Right, so I've got Neil's CDR 650R in 4. Nice little YSS steering dampener. Let's start doing some shit. So far, this is how it's going. Managed to get the panels off. Easy, done. These are rounded out though. Disgusting. Go then, little tool tip for you. Bosch yourself a little bit bigger Torx bit. Give it a nice gentle little bit of persuasion with that on your extender. Push it in there, and then it'll sit in that little groove. And oh, look at that! Woo! There you go then. New little bracket, plate, whatever you'd like to call it. Nice little one-hand torquing. It's very fiddly. Very space. I just got to raise the forks up. From like 12 mil. So over. Alright, that is top forks moved up. So they're torqued up, they've been moved up to 12 mil as required. Everything's torqued back to spec. Oh yeah, and that is it. Oh, look, it's me at the top either. Look at that. Ooh. Nice. Full. Just got the allowance there. That is fully locked out. And you've got your adjustment, so I'll leave that down to Neil to adjust. He'll figure out the ride of it.